Hi, I'm your Celcom Tech Expert. Are you planning to install Celcom Home Fibre? Let me walk you through the easy steps of getting it done. Join. Once your Celcom Home Fibre registration is successful, we will give you reminder calls before your appointment. You will need to be present during the installation. And please prepare 4 power sockets for installation work. Do note that minor drilling may need to be done. Hello! A tech expert like myself is a Celcom appointed installer who will be wearing Celcom attire and will present a proper ID.
We will advise you on the best locations to place the devices, considering where your family spends the most time together. The installation may take around 2 to 4 hours, depending on whether your home is landed or in a high-rise building. Finally, we will put a sticker on your router and do speed tests to confirm that the installation is complete. Once you sign off on the completion form, you will be all ready to serve the internet.
It's seriously so easy. Just register your interest with us, be ready for installation, and check that you are satisfied with our installation work, and voila! The world is at your fingertips.
Sign up for Celcom Home Fibre today.